This stylish, narrow-width, built-in microwave from Miele is perfect if you're looking for a high-quality model with clever features to take care of your food. It has an impressive 900 watts of power and a 46-litre capacity. And because this is a narrow-width model, it's ideal for compact kitchen spaces. Plus, it's been specially designed to last for 20 years, so it's ideal if you want exceptional build quality. This model has incredible automatic programs that take the guesswork out of cooking your meals. Simply choose the type of food you're cooking and enter the weight. The program then cleverly adapts the time and power levels to suit the dish, meaning you can get rid of the guesswork and still have perfectly cooked food every time. Miele's Minute Minder lets you use the microwave as a timer for other cooking activities. Simply set the exact time you want, and when the timer finishes, it makes its own unique alert sound. And because it works alongside the standard microwave functions, you can easily time how you want your steak cooked while you warm up a nice peppercorn sauce, meaning you can always keep perfect time no matter how you prepare your food. If you're looking for a high-quality microwave with clever features to take care of your food, this stylish, narrow-width, built-in model from Miele is the perfect choice.